Hi, happy Memorial Day weekend. Welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. Follow my channel if you're interested to switch to a plant-based diet or you're looking for easy and quick plant-based recipes. In today's video, I'm gonna share what I'm eating for breakfast and lunch to give recipe ideas. I'm an organic supporter. I try to use as much as organic ingredients in my recipes. I know it can be hard sometimes to find organic ingredients, so I did the research for you on Amazon, and I think they are great deals. If you are interested in organic ingredients, go ahead to check out the links in my description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Hope you have a great week ahead. and I'll talk to you soon.